Hello friends, in this video we will see the terminology we use in profit and loss concept as well as the basic formulas of profit and loss. So when it comes to the terminology in profit and loss, we are going to be use four terms. Okay, four terms we will use in profit and loss. The first one is cost price, and the second one is selling price, and next one is profit or gain, profit or gain, and next one is loss, and next one is loss. So we will see each term one by one. So the cost price is actually it is the price of the article which is purchased. Okay. Suppose if you are buying something in the market, whatever you pay for that one is called as cost price. So it is what actually the price of the goods, price of the goods or articles purchased. The next one is the selling price. When we bought something or when we you know uh, purchase something, we'll sell that one to another one. So that is the actually whatever price we are costing for selling is called as selling price. So the price at which the article is sold. Okay, the price at which article sold is called as selling price. Okay, so when we are buying whatever we are paying, that is called as a cost price. Whenever we are selling a good, okay, so that time whatever we are receiving, the amount is called as selling price. So now the profit. So if selling price is greater than cost price, so then the seller is said to be have the profit. Okay, so for example, if someone bought article for 10 rupees and he sold that one for 20 rupees, so there is a gain. Okay, so he got a gain of 10 rupees, so that means there is a profit is there for the person who is selling. Okay, so that is what actually when the selling price is greater than the cost price, then the person is said to be have gain or got profit. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So the profit or gain, whenever the selling price is greater than the cost price, then it is said to be have profit. Okay, so loss, whenever the selling price is less than cost price, for example the selling price is less than cost price, then said to be have loss. So there is a loss incurred. Okay, so whenever the selling price is greater than cost price, it's said to be the seller have a profit or gain. Okay, so that is these are the main four terms we used in profit and loss. So we will see the basic formulas we use in profit and loss. So first one is how to calculate the gain. So the gain is given by whenever the selling price is greater than cost price, there is a gain. So the gain is given by selling price minus cost price. So this one will give the gain, how much amount he gained. Second one is the loss. So the loss is given by when the loss will occur when selling price is less than the cost price. So the loss is given by cost price minus selling price. Okay. So whenever there is a gain, so we want to calculate the gain percentage. So the gain percentage is given by 100 plus gain. 100 plus whatever gain he got, gain by 100, gain by gain by cost price. Okay, gain by sorry, this one is so actually gain percentage is given by actually whatever gain he got by cost price into 100, cost price into 100. Okay, so this is what actually the gain percentage is, because the gain he got is actually with respect to the cost price. So that's why gain percentage is equal to gain by cost price into 100. Okay, gain by cost price into 100. So in the same manner, the loss percentage is calculated So whatever loss he got, so loss by, so he got loss with respect to the cost price into 100. So this one will give the loss percentage. Okay, this one will give the loss percentage. Okay, and next one is, so the fifth one is selling price. So the selling price is given by 100 plus the gain percentage, 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into cost price. So this one will give the selling price. Okay, whenever there is a gain, the selling price, okay, is given by 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into cost price. Okay, for example, let us assume that a person got 10 percentage gain by selling that one. Okay, so that means so a person got 10 percentage gain, so uh, then his actually selling price is going to be equal to 110 percentage of cost price. Okay, then his selling price is going to be 110 cost price. For example, he got 20 percentage gain, so then his selling price is going to be, 120 percentage of cost price. Okay, 120 percentage of cost price. Okay, and next one is, uh, and next formula is, that is, selling price whenever there is a loss is there. So this is the selling price whenever there is a gain percentage. Selling price whenever there is a loss is there, then 100% minus loss percentage by 100 into cost price. Okay, into cost price. So this one will give the selling price whenever there is a loss is there. For example, there is a 10 percentage loss he got by selling an article. Then his selling price is equivalent to 100 minus 10. So that is 90. 90 by 100 is 90 percentage. So 90 percentage of cost price. So 90 percentage of cost price. Okay. So whenever there is a 20 percentage loss by selling an article, then the selling price is given by, so 100 minus 20. So 20 by, 80 by 100. So that is 80 percentage of cost price. Okay. 80 percentage of cost price. So I hope you got this one. Using these formulas also, whenever there is a loss, you can calculate the cost price. So whenever there is a gain, you can calculate the cost price using these formulas. Okay. Um, I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.